Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 23. A Line Storm Song. Rain pounded the roof as I stepped outside, boots sinking in mud, wind whipping my coat tight. Lightning split the sky and I shouted, half in fear, half in joy, letting the storm's music fill my chest. Trees bowed and branches cracked, rivers swelled with sudden force, and I ran, laughing, tracing lines of water streaming down the hills. Every drop felt alive, drumming on rooftops, bouncing off stones, and I moved with it, shouting lines of nonsense and rhyme, as if the storm had written a song just for me. Villagers hurried past, faces tight, umbrellas flailing, but I stayed, letting wet hands trace the rhythm of rain, hearing the world drum a wild, chaotic melody. By nightfall, drenched but exhilarated, I trudged home, boots squelching, heart still humming, knowing storms sing for anyone willing to listen and move in step with their fierce, electric song. Now listen to the poem. Rain pounds, wind bends the trees, lightning splits the sky with ease. Boots sink, mud pulls tight, storm drums wildly, pure delight. Branches crack, rivers rise, lines of water trace the skies. Shouts and rhymes fill the air, chaos sings without a care. Villagers rush, umbrellas sway, I dance, soaked in wild display. Storm's song hums in chest and mind, electric rhythm, fierce, unkind. Night falls, drenched but alive. Storm's melody lets spirit thrive.